We're going to start with all registration information, right? So this is all of your participants. The first thing that you need to do is assign them a judging group, right? So we have judging groups 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 10, right? And when you assign people a group, they get given an ID, right? So if there's no ID, it's NA. If there is an ID, it goes to the letter. We need more than 10 groups. I just need to expand the formula. So from here, we're going to be able to start judging participants, right? So now that they're in groups, right? So we can group, for example, by judging group. Right? So these are the different judging groups that we created. These are empty. These are the groups that are within, right? And you see that currently there are no scores in most of them. We're going to find just a sample judging group right here. We're going to do the judging for John. We see that we've done a few sample ones for Gilbert. We're going to click on the URL. And we've split this selection in the finalist day forms, right? And that allows us to pull information that's different here. So we see this is the form, so we're able to match that to who we have. Right, the name is going to be in a drop down, right? You'll see it's the person's name and then the record ID. This allows us to match the judge to the specific to the form. Checking for one. So this person has been judged. Right, we're going to go back into the database, right? And we're going to see that John has a score, right? Right, his average score is 8, and that does not meet expectations. Here we see the score here. Right. We see with John, right? This is the one with Ruth as being the judge. He has received the following scores, right? So the score is 8. We see that this is matched to the participant and then also to the judge. What we can do with the judging is we can provide judges with this view, right? So judging overview. For Ruth, right, we can see that Ruth has done one judge and she's judged 906, right? So the challenge here is that it's a decent amount of visibility for people, right, in terms of who's done what judging, but at least it provides them an idea of who they have judged and who they've not. Hopefully that's a decent introduction. Bram did a lot of hard work on this, and we have some of the work done finalists today as well, but we